Welcome to Hadraya Fajar channel perspective. Beyond borders, beyond biases. Let's talk about something everyone's always arguing about. Android versus iOS. Which one truly stands out? It's the battle of the smartphone giants. And we're going all in to see who wins this epic showdown. We'll break down the biggest differences from how they look and feel to the apps you use every day. We're talking user interface, apps, customization, security, and of course, the price. Let's get started right now. First up, let's talk about the first thing you see, the user interface. The user interface, or UI, is the gateway to your smartphone experience. It's the first thing you interact with when you pick up your device, and it sets the tone for everything you do. Android and iOS look totally different. Each has its own unique design language and philosophy. iOS is all about keeping it simple and easy to use. Apple's design focuses on minimalism and clarity. It's clean, it's straightforward, you basically know where everything is. The icons are neatly arranged and the overall look is very polished. Android, on the other hand, lets you change things up a lot more. It's all about customization and flexibility. You can tweak widgets, launchers, and even install custom ROMs to make it totally your own. This level of customization allows you to tailor your device to fit your personal style and needs. Do you like things simple and streamlined, or do you like to tinker with every little detail? Your preference will likely guide your choice between these two operating systems. It's all about what works for you. Whether you prefer the simplicity of iOS or the flexibility of Android, the best choice is the one that fits your lifestyle. Let's move on to something even more important, the apps you use every single day. Apps are the heart and soul of your smartphone experience, and both platforms offer a vast array of options to choose from. Both Android and iOS have tons of apps, but there are some key differences. These differences can significantly impact your user experience and even your device's security. iOS is known for its App Store, which has really strict rules. Apple reviews every app before it becomes available for download. This means you're less likely to find apps with bugs or viruses. The stringent review process ensures that apps meet high standards of quality and security. Android's Play Store has more apps, including some you won't find on iOS. The open nature of Android allows for a wider variety of apps. This can be good and bad, as it also means there's a slightly higher chance of finding apps that aren't as good or could be risky. Users need to be more cautious and check app permissions carefully. When it comes to popular apps like social media, streaming, and productivity tools, you'll find them on both. These apps are usually optimized for both platforms, ensuring a similar experience. iOS is often better for app design. The consistent design guidelines provided by Apple help developers create visually appealing and user-friendly apps. Apple works closely with developers, so apps tend to look and work better on iPhones. This collaboration results in a more polished and seamless user experience. Both have lots of apps. It just depends on what you're looking for. Whether you prioritize security, variety, or design, there's a platform that will suit your needs. Let's talk about personalization. Android is the king of customization. Want to change your launcher, widgets, even how your entire operating system looks? Android lets you do it all. You can change almost everything about the user interface, from the home screen to the notification sounds. iOS is more locked down. While you can change your wallpaper and organize apps, the overall look stays the same. Apple likes things uniform. For some, this is a good thing. Do you like lots of customization, or do you prefer a more consistent experience? It's all about what you like. When it comes to security and privacy, both Android and iOS have gotten much better over the years. The advancements in technology have led to significant improvements in how these operating systems protect your data and ensure your privacy. Apple has always said it's more secure, and for good reason. The company has built a reputation for prioritizing user privacy and security above all else. iOS has a tightly controlled app ecosystem, strict app reviews, and focuses on data encryption. This means that every app you download from the App Store has been thoroughly vetted to ensure it meets Apple's high standards for security and privacy. Apple cares about your privacy. They have implemented features like app tracking transparency, which gives you more control over which apps can track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. Android has improved a lot in recent years. Google has made significant strides in enhancing the security features of its operating system. Google has added strong security features like Google Play Protect, which checks apps for bad stuff. This feature scans apps for malware and other harmful software, providing an additional layer of security for Android users. Android also gives you more control over your privacy, letting you decide what apps can do and what information they can access. You can customize app permissions to suit your comfort level. Both are pretty secure now, offering robust security features that protect your data and privacy. Whether you choose Android or iOS, you can feel confident that your personal information is well guarded. It's important to be smart online no matter what phone you use. Always be cautious about the apps you download, the permissions you grant, and the information you share. Stay informed and stay safe. Let's talk about price. Android phones come at all different prices, from cheap to super expensive. This is a big plus for Android. Whether you want a basic phone or the best of the best, there's an Android for you. This also means lots of different sizes and features. iOS devices are mostly expensive, while Apple has some cheaper iPhones. They're not as good. If you're on a budget, Android has more cheap options. Apple devices are known for being well made, lasting a long time, and being easy to resell. The best platform for you depends on your budget and what you want in a phone. So, which one is better? There's no right answer. Both Android and iOS are good, and the best one depends on you. If you like simplicity, a polished experience, and strong privacy, iOS might be better. If you like customization, tons of apps, and different prices, Android could be better. This is my opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below which one you like and why. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tech comparisons.